Between work, family events, and the dozens of other obligations people have, basic car maintenance can fall by the wayside. However, performing regular maintenance on your vehicle matters more than you think. Following basic car maintenance tips may help keep your car running. But that's not all. There are many rewarding advantages to proper car maintenance that don't have to do with getting from point A to point B. Keeping your car maintained will help your vehicle last longer. It can even help you snag a higher resale price if you decide to sell. Something as simple as checking tire pressure or washing your car can add value to your vehicle. Yes, it's that simple. From better fuel efficiency to retaining resale value, these simple car maintenance tips can help improve your vehicle owning experience. In addition, if you drive a new Toyota, you can take advantage of ToyotaCare. Every purchased and leased new Toyota comes with a ToyotaCare scheduled maintenance plan and roadside assistance.